Context of a community. What is a community? The community is the children, their families, neighbors, parents, grandparents, retired adults. So, in a way, all these people are related to one another. Either they are children or they are parents, either they are teachers or their parents, either they are families or they are neighbors, parents, grandparents, or the retired people in the community. What is the responsibility of a teacher? The teacher must come to know the community and be active in the community in which they teach. For some teachers, it would be difficult to understand the community if they are coming from some other place. But if they are living in the same community, it would be much easier for them to know the people in the community, and the people whom they are teaching, they would know what sort of a community they are living in. That is why it is suggested that people should be working in the places which are nearby to their homes and communities, because it is easy for both the parties. The teachers would know about the community because they are living in the same community. And the people and the community would be knowing about the teacher because the teacher belongs to the same community. And so they have probably the same interests, same priorities, common goals, and same standing in the society. Sometimes, when the teachers are not from the same community, there are lots of misunderstandings which the teachers may have in their minds. And also, there can be lots of misunderstandings in the mind of the community members and the parents, and thus the students. But that does not mean that it should be discouraged that the teachers are working in the school and coming from a far off place. It is not an indication of that at all. But it is just a mention that those people who are living in the same community and teaching in the same community, things are much easier for them to understand. However, teachers who do not belong to the same community can always talk to their colleagues, students, families, parents, grandparents, school authorities, and attend the events of the community in order to find out and know about that community. If they are participating in the community events, and if they are having a discussion and a dialogue with the parents and the community members, and if they are keeping a good communication with them, then they would be able to know the community very well. And when once they are active in the community, they will also be respected by the community. So it is suggested that those who do not belong to the same community can always try to know the members of the community and know the values and priorities of that particular community in order to have a better understanding. This better understanding would lead to better communication. And the effective communication would lead to more of acceptance on both sides. And while the acceptance process goes on, the social interaction goes on, the communication is there is a lot of harmony and there's a lot of tolerance to accept each other in groups.